Good morning, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? So guys, it is Thursday. Happy Thursday, June the 10th. So I'm actually getting ready to head out for today. Had to get my shoes on. Hope you all are having an amazing, oh God, I hope I didn't split my nail on this shoestring. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day so far. So far that you're up, I will say. I'm having a beautiful morning. So, yeah, just getting up. I want to show you guys my purse. Now, I did put everything in my bag, and then I'll show you guys a outfit of the day, and then we're going to go get some coffee. I have not had coffee, guys, and oh wait, how long has this been? I don't know, maybe a couple weeks. Well, for one, it's been too hot to be drinking some warm coffee. So yeah, so here is the bag. I got everything in here, like my earbuds, like some business cards, a Kleenex, some cough drops. On this side, I have, my chapstick is gonna fall out. I have, like, you know, my IDs on this side, change in here in the zipper part. And then I have my checkbook, and then I have more cards right there. But so far, so good. It closes. And this was everything that was in my purse. Well, in my little small bag. So if I took the wallet out, it would probably be, if I took the book out, the checkbook out, it probably would be smaller than this. Even though I don't have checks, I still kind of go over my things. But this is the thing that I had everything in. So I went from this, which is a wristlet. I have the thing to this. I think I hauled this from Marshall's, I think. This is the Tahari cute little black bag. And then this is what my sister gave me from Milan. This is not Michael Kors, y'all. This is Milan. This is really cute. I just hope I don't lose it. The only downfall about this bag is that I probably can put my house keys in it, but I can't put my car keys. I can put my car keys in my pockets if I have on something that has pockets. But other than that, I can carry this like that. So yeah. Just wanted to show you guys that. And this is outfit of the day, if you guys can see. Let me turn y'all around this way. Outfit of the day. Got on my pink shoes again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I needed to wear something cozy today. So yeah. So guys, we're gonna go ahead. I was waiting for my computer to update and cut off so I can put her back in the office because I had her on last night. So let me put this back in here. Let's find somewhere. Y'all, it's dark in here. It's so dark in here. I don't know where to put this. But here's my wristlet. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here's my wristlet right here. Right there, that goes for this. So we'll just set this right there. Come out of there. And I'll probably just wait until I come back through here I'll wait till I come back through here for the computer to shut off. Oh gosh, what's up with this color? Okay, so guys, I will meet you all in the kitchen. Oh, let me show y'all one more thing I forgot to show y'all. Yesterday, I think I was telling y'all surprises, hidden secrets that I didn't show y'all. But here, this is it's supposed to be a coffee table, and it's by Project 62. It was gray. I spray painted it black because I did it because I wanted to put this plant on there. So I forgot to show y'all this yesterday, but that's what it looks like. I think it was $5 or $10, I can't remember. But yeah, let's head on into the kitchen and we're gonna go get us some coffee. Yeah, it's gonna be funny today to have coffee for a minute. I haven't had any. Do you guys drink coffee when it gets warm outside? Because I think some of that stuff, that's unbearable sometimes to have coffee when it's too hot. Okay, I'll just take this off and then I can throw this out of the recycle bin when I go get in the truck. Yeah, some people still drink coffee even when it's like 80 and 90 degrees outside. I'm not talking about nobody, I'm just speaking out loud. I'm just speaking out loud. If you do that, it's nothing wrong with it, okay? Your body can tolerate it. It just seems strange. It's a high on top of high. I gotta find me some more vitamin C pills, y'all, too, because I found out these got animal products in them. You gotta be careful trying to buy these vitamins and stuff. They be trying to trick you with all kinds of stuff, y'all. Nice labeling and all that good stuff. Let me put some hemp seed oil in here so I can get my extra vitamins. So I already had it on, so it's already ready to go. Put this up. Y'all want a little bit of tea time? A little bit. Tea time for the day. Let me show y'all. Same thing for breakfast this morning, the same exact thing. I'm not doing nothing no different. But I did change my hair, y'all. Y'all see my hair? Y'all like it? I got a little thing here, a big old puff in the back. I got some twisties on the side. And in the back, I did like a, can you see it? I did like a little twist to the other side. So just trying to try something different. But yeah, guys, tea time will be just reflect. Do some reflecting in your life, reflecting on the good things, the good days, the good times. Every day we get up, y'all, it's a good day though. It's a good day. So look, today is today. Yesterday was yesterday. Only can focus on what is today. Today will take care of itself. Yesterday is gone. So you can't be sitting back crying, wasting your time worrying about what happened yesterday. Oh, wow, woe is me, and all this other stuff. It's over. It's gone. So just focus on today, okay? That's all I have for y'all today. Hold the line, please, so I can get my coffee because it's almost done. Ooh, coffee is done. Let's see what it tastes like. If my taste buds, I know I probably shifted because I haven't had any coffee. It's pretty okay. Yeah. So guys, I will see y'all a little bit later. Remember what I said. Catch you on the flip side this evening. Y'all, I had to come back on here. Y'all know y'all ain't right. I looked through the clips and I was like, ooh, wait, girl, you look like a grease monkey. Ain't that what they usually call them when they be having grease, when your mom and dad get you ready for school and you have like grease all on your face and stuff? I remember my mom used to grease us up like that, but I was like, y'all probably would have let me know in the comments that I look like that, but I ain't sure. But yeah, yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. I don't know what I didn't check the temperature, but right now at this time it feels like it's around I don't know, it feels like close to 73 or 4 or something like that. But yeah, just hop back on just to say that because I just had to look. I was like, ooh, she looking mighty greasy, but she looking mighty beautiful. So that's all that matters to me. So guys, I will see y'all later on, okay? Hey guys, I am, can y'all see me? I am currently right now at the park on my break, and I'm almost done with the one. And then I think by the time I get down and get done and finished, one of my friends, I think, well, 2 of them, will be down there, or it'll give me a chance to go to the bathroom, then I come back, and I probably can walk with them. So 2 miles, almost done. But I'm gonna show y'all shoes, y'all. Look, these shoes, guys, these shoes are so comfortable. Like, it's like burlap. They're like burlap and potato, what is it called? Like potato sack shoes. That's the material. They are so comfortable. So guys, it's nothing wrong with having cute shoes. My shoes are cute, but I can walk in them, and that is a blessing. So it's like my money went on something great. These shoes came from a thrift store, basically, in my neck of the woods. It's like a Savers, and I think they were half price one day. So yeah, and I keep saying, like last night I kept saying, I'm gonna paint my fingernails. Y'all, they're really growing, really growing. The other hand is longer than this. I keep saying I'm gonna paint my nails, toes and hands. I keep saying that every evening and I don't do it, but yeah. just wanted to show you guys that these shoes, woo, they are worth it. They are worth, let me see, show y'all. They're worth every penny. Every penny. Yeah. Okay. Let's bring it back down. I got somebody in front of me. So I will see you guys later. Oh, and when I get off work today, I will be stopping by a bin because I will be in that area. And I will probably show y'all if I get anything, okay?
And my godmother on Friday and Saturday, I knew when I got to my cousin's house, or back to my godmother, I had my chauffeur. She would give me chauffeur.
Okay. All right, guys. As you can see, or you probably can't see, it is like 7:15. So I'm gonna make this really quick for you guys. Y'all, it was really hard today with this bag. It was so hard, but I think I can get used to it. It's just not having something, you know, I'm just so used to something clutched on me. And then like with my phone, I would usually put my phone in my front pocket or a pocket here, but I didn't have anything today. So it's gonna take me a moment, but I did, however, like I showed you this morning, I put everything in here and I do like it. I love the color of it. I love it. I like it. I really like it. So yeah, so guys, are y'all ready to get into this little $5.34 haul? Sorry guys, I am going to end up taking the the battery out of the fire alarm because I know somebody mentioned it in the comments. I'm sorry. That's all I can say. I apologize in advance. But let me just get to it, y'all. The first thing I found at the bins was this frame. Isn't that clever? Like I just told you I wanted a frame. So I did find this one. And I think I'm going to do, either way it goes, this one is going to go on that other side that I showed y'all. So I got this frame. So this was, she gave me this for $1. Even the pictures that come in it, even if you didn't want to change these out for whatever you wanted, it's really still nice. So I got this. I also got a beautiful shower curtain, and it's the curtain in this is 100% cotton. Y'all already know, but this is the pattern of the shower curtain. I wanted something different from the stripes because the one that's in there now, guys, from when I did the Clean With Me the bathroom, that one has like a little rip at the bottom. So I'm probably gonna end up getting rid of that or donate it or give it to somebody, or I can sew it up. It doesn't matter. But this is the pattern. It's like, as you can see, it has like maybe 12 inches or more going down, just a regular flat. And then it has this beautiful tufted all around, all over it. So yeah, and this is by Threshold. So this was $1 as well. And then, let me see. And like I said before, guys, everything is new. So I don't have to wash anything, but it's okay to wash it because people have probably been, people been touching it. So I got that. I also found another curtain like these that I have all around the house, but this one is super long, guys. I'm not even gonna pull it out all the way, but it's really long, and it's long like the ones in the front room, and this is also Threshold too. So I'm gonna end up putting this in the living room because in the winter time, I can have as many of these as I want combined all together, so that way that room won't be cold. So that's a good thing. That's why I went on and got this. And then too, the plus thing was she only charged me $1. So got that. So I put that here, and that's that bag. And then in here, I have a thing of Scandinavian Candle. That's the name of the company, and it's soy wax. So this was 50 cents. And I'm glad I picked this up because I found something else for 50 cents also that I can use this for. So y'all know I make my own candle. So when that candle is burned out on the table, I don't know if you guys can see it, but once it's burned out, I will be using this along with some essential oil to make my own. The next thing I got was, I don't know who this is by. I don't have my glasses. Oh, yes, I do. Hold on, guys. I can show you guys. This says Scandinavian Candle as well. Oh, so this probably went with this. So I shouldn't have had to pay for this. But I didn't have my glasses on, so I couldn't see, But Scandinavian, this is wooden sage and sea salt. So actually it's a bottle of oil. And this is 1 ounce, and that's a nice size, y'all. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'll show you on the other side. So that is so, oh my gosh, that is so ironic that this and this is the same. I'm thinking this is by itself. I didn't even read the logo. I'm thinking it's by itself. I was going to use it for my diffuser, which I still can, but it actually goes for that. So, wow. So that goes with that. Then I found these LED plug-in night lights, and it is, let me see, make sure, because I'm going to show y'all the other ones that I did have. This is the, okay, I'll show you the light guide. So these are soft white, but they're flat. If you guys can see, they are flat, which I like, because look, this is one that I already had, and this is by Intel Style Well. This one goes in my living room, and it lights up the whole floor, and it's LED. So just imagine, these are gonna go with it. So I will be putting one of these in the bathroom, replacing another one, I'll show you that. I'll be replacing another one, and then this one here, I'm not sure if I want it in the living room, because I got that touch light, but the touch light needs batteries right now still. So I might put this in the living room, or I might put it back here. I'm not 100% sure, but I just wanted to show you. I got this one already. I've been had this one, and I got this one for $1 from the bins. But this came with a 2-pack, and they are flat as well. So got those. And this is the one that was in my bathroom, and this is LED too, but this is the kind that goes around, and it has like this. But I don't like this dome thing because it sticks out, and I can't like put anything else in the outlet. So gonna be donating that. I have a plan, y'all, for everything. When something come in, something got to come out of here. The last but not least, guys, I got this. This is a flower pot, and this is Opal House plant. It's an Opal House planter. I love the fact that the print of it is so pretty. Do y'all see that? And I love the fact at the bottom you can see, like, can y'all see it? Has like that little ceramic nude color. So this is actually going to go here on the table in the center, and I'm going to get me a plant. I'm going to try to find something that I already have that needs to be replanted, or not replanted, but I can start a new baby. But in the meantime, it's going to sit in here because it goes with my the visuals in here. The vibration of the room, this goes with it. So I'm going to let y'all get another look. And it does have the little stopper. So guys, this is everything that I got from the bins today. So I'll let you guys get a good look at it, and then I'm going to end this video because guess what, y'all? I'm tired, and like I said, it's almost 8 o'clock. Okay, and if y'all want this video today, then hey. So everything I got. Flower pot, let me show you the texture. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Here is the Scandinavian focus camera. Focus. They need to see you. Hold on, y'all. Stop. Okay, there it is. That's it there. Is it going to focus or what? Okay, y'all, I get it. But you see that and the has the same. Okay, whatever. Has the same thing there, as well as that, and that's that. That is that. Here is the night lights. Like I said, super thin. Curtain, shower curtain with the beautiful texture. I like that. And my picture frame that's gonna go. But basically, I'm gonna take this picture out and put it in this one, and put that one, this frame down here, because this one is the same size as that one. So that's what I'm gonna do with that. So guys, I will see you all in another video really, really soon. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Now, I'm gonna get ready to wash some of my items here and put them where they belong. Bye, y'all.